Hello everyone, welcome to day 55 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this Clover Stitch. To make the Clover Stitch, this is not worked on a foundation chain. You have to make each petal separately and also attaching it to the next petal. So to start off, you're going to start off with 5 chain, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and you're going to insert it into the very first chain and make a slip stitch. Now this counts something like a magic circle. Then start making the stands of the petal. So I'm starting off with a chain 4 and I'm making triple crochets. So each petal has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triple crochets. So the chain 4 counts as 1. We have to make 3 triple crochets. Okay. Now we're going to make another chain 4 and close this petal. Okay, so that is like the first petal. Now we are going to start with the next petal by again making 4 chains, 3 triple crochets, and 4 chains again. So now we have to create the magic circle for the next petal. So I'm going to again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, insert into the very first chain, that is the 5th chain from the hook, and we have our circle here. Okay, now I'm going to slip stitch onto these 4 stitches so that I get to the top of the 4th chain. Okay, so now I have the magic circle and the very first stand of the petal. Now again I'm going to start making the triple crochet, that is 3 triple crochet, chain 4, and slip stitch into the circle right here. Okay, and now again make the next petal. Okay, so now we are at the end of the second flower. You can crochet as many flowers like this. I'll meet you back once I start the next row. So I'm going to do 3 Clover stitches here. So this is the last flower. So what you have to do is again crochet 4 chains and slip stitch onto the magic circle right here, or the circle that we created. Again chain 4 and I'm starting off with the 3rd petal. Okay. Chain 4 and close the 3rd petal and start off with the 4th petal. So again chain 4. So when you go to the fourth petal, see I've done a chain 4 here. Instead of the chain 4, what we can do is you can make one triple crochet, one more triple crochet that closes the petal right here, and now we are going to move on to the next flower. So directly you are going to make one triple crochet, go into the next flower circle in the middle, and we are going to start off the next petal. Okay. So I'm going to do the third petal till this one, and I'll meet you back once I get there. So I've completed the third petal and I've started off with a chain 4. Now we have to create the magic circle or the circle part for the next petal. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and slip stitch onto this one. Slip stitch till you reach the end of the chain 4. Okay, and you start making the first petal of the next row. So this is not the fourth petal, but this is the, I'm making this flower of the next row. Okay. So I've completed one petal right here. Okay, so now instead of the chain 4, we are going to make one triple crochet, one more extra triple crochet. Now chain 4, and we are going to start off the next petal by chaining an extra 5 for the circular part. Okay. And slip stitch till you reach to the top of the chain 4. Start of the next petal. Okay, now we are going to connect these two right here. Okay. So before starting off the chain 4, slip stitch onto the top of the petal right here. So this part is done. Now chain 4 and complete this petal. Okay. Again, start off the next petal. You have to chain 4. So basically you have to create these diamonds here for you to not get confused. So I'm starting off this petal which is going to complete this diamond. So here you have to slip stitch. So once you have completed this petal, chain 4, slip stitch onto this petal right here, and then complete the second petal into this same circle. Okay. Now again chain 4, start of the next petal, and then connect it to, just like how we did this, you are going to connect it to this one and this one, and I'll meet you back when I reach here. Okay, So I've completed the final 2 petals of this flower. Now, just like how we did the previous row, you just have to complete these flowers in this row. And so just make one petal, the third petal you have to complete with a chain 4, the fourth petal you complete with a triple crochet and move on to the next petal. So this is the third petal I'm crocheting. So this completes with a chain 4, 2, 3 and 4, insert, slip stitch, and again start off with a chain 4. This petal you are going to do 5 triple crochet stitches. Okay, so just like this you have to make 2 petals until you reach here, and I'll meet you back once I get here. Okay, so now I've reached the last petal right here. So in case if you want to move on to the next one, you have to crochet 3 petals in this and repeat the same process, and at the end of it we'll be completing this side of the work. So now I'm just going to stop with these 2 rows. So I'll show you how to complete that as well. I'm just making the second petal of this flower right here. I'm going for the third one. Now I'm starting off the fourth petal. Okay, this one, just like how you do the second fourth petals, you're going to complete it with the triple crochet and directly make the next triple crochet so that it completes the diamond here. Okay, now we are going to complete the fourth petal right here, and that will be the end of our work. So do try out this stitch, and if you have any doubts you can leave it in the comment section below. We'll try and get to it, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.